Simple future tense. Top of the morning, my boys and girls. I'm Teacher Rosie, and today we are going to dig deep about future simple tense. As you may already know, the structure of the future simple tense is subject, will, and base verb. It sounds very simple, doesn't it? However, when do we use this structure to string our sentences? There are several reasons to use will. Each of the stories below will reveal some for you. Let's stay tuned. Firstly, we use will to talk about decisions made at the moment. Kevin and Kim are eating out at a restaurant. What decisions will they have to make? Let's see. Kim, how are you doing today? I'm doing great, thanks. How about you, Kevin? My stomach didn't feel very well, but it's fine now. Oh, how bad? Will you be free tonight? Yes, Kevin. What's up? I want to invite you to gourmet restaurants on the Main Street corner. Oh, I know that dining. Will you be able to join me at 8? Yes, I will. Good evening. What would you like to have? Lady first. Thanks. I'd like to have a plate of stewed lamb with cabbages. Would you like to go for a big or medium portion, ma'am? One big plate for me, please. I'd love to have extra sauce on my plate. One medium plate of creamy shrimp pasta for my starter. Yes, I noted, ma'am. How about you, sir? What would you like to have? I will try a small plate of vegan pasta, please. Oh, wait. One tomato salad for me, too. Noted, sir. Your meals will be in 10 minutes. Kevin, you eat all vegetables tonight? Yes, Kim. I'm concerned about my stomach. It won't stand all the meat. And I'm a bit overweight these days. Eating big portions of meat will make you bloated, Kim. You shouldn't have ordered all those dishes. You're unbelievable. I will go home. Kim? Kim? What did I do wrong? Secondly, we use future simple tense to give predictions and promises. Our main character this time is Emmy. She's a boss girl who is career-oriented. This means she only focuses on her career. Her love life is as empty as a sheet of paper. So she has tried the dating game several times. But no gentleman can impress Emmy enough. So Emmy might as well seek help from a fortune teller. Let's dive into Emmy's story. I will be 30 this summer. All of my friends have got married. Some of them even have kids. It's so depressing. I know your problem, young girl. Your heart is made of diamonds. Is it? Yes, the diamond is hard. Nothing can melt your diamond heart. But I see something is changin'. Ma'am, will I find a perfect husband? Yes, Emmy, you won't have to wait long. You will meet a man this year. He will love you forever. Oh my God! Who is he? Calm down, young girl. I will use my ability to tell you some of his special features. Listen up. Your husband is a man that you already met a long time ago. Oh gosh, who could it be? He's got freckles. His hair is orange. He wore braces when you two met, but not anymore. You could be classmates or colleagues. Have you had someone in mind? Oh no, no way! It can't be Freddie, the nerdy boy. I promise I will love you forever. I will give you all of my candies. Will you be my girlfriend? Nuh-uh, I won't. You are so annoying, Fred. That's your husband, Emmy. My crystal ball is never wrong. No, I don't want to get married anymore. Next, we use will to make offers and requests. In this story, we are getting to know Tony, a 5-year-old boy who is very playful and smart. There is a lesson learned for Tony in this video. What's it? Let's find out.
Daddy, will you help me with my homework? I don't understand this question.
Sure. I will help you with your homework, son.
Thanks, Daddy. Mom, will you help me with my uniform, please?
Let me see, son.
I can't button this t-shirt. It's difficult.
Done, son.
Thank you, Mommy. Penny, will you please pass me the salt?
Tony, the salt is right in front of you.
I did too much homework, so my hands are sore.
Okay, fine. Here you are.
Mom, will you make the bed for me? I'm late for school.
All right, son.
Penny, will you close the window for me?
Tony, you're such a lazy boy.
I'm not.
You are always asking people to help you with minor stuff. I know you can do it yourself.
But I won't, Penny. My teacher said I can ask people to give me a hand because we are still children. Children don't need to do everything.
Your teacher is correct, but you shouldn't fall on people's help all the time. Do you know what a couch potato means?
Potato what? I don't like potatoes.
True. People say that if a person is too lazy, he or she is doing nothing but lying down like you are right now. You will become a potato. I think you are getting more and more similar to a potato.
You are lying.
Ask Mom and Dad. You'll know. Your sister is right, son.
Oh no! I don't like potatoes. I won't ask people to help me anymore.
That's right, son. Lastly, the future simple tense is also used as warnings and in the first conditional. Our next story is in an office. Let's see. Boss, this is my report. I wish you a wonderful weekend.
Wait, Luke? I'd like to have a word with you.
Will it take more than 20 minutes, boss? If I don't go now, I will be late for my girlfriend's birthday party.
You won't have to worry about it. I just want you to keep this in mind.
Yes, obviously. What is it, boss?
If you hand in the reports late one more time, I will fire you. You won't have to give me any report anymore. You will be able to come to any parties you want.
Oh, I'm sorry, boss. I will not let this happen again. I will follow the deadlines. Please don't fire me.
I will keep an eye on you, Luke. Now you can go.
Thank you so much, boss. So, do you understand everything about the future simple tense now? What will you do after this lesson? Let's comment below, and until next time!